Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's got the Apple community buzzing. You might have heard whispers about the upcoming iPhone Fold and the challenges it faces. Well, buckle up, because we're about to explore how Apple is tackling these issues head-on. Now, let's rewind a bit. Remember the infamous Samsung Galaxy Fold? It was a groundbreaking device, but it stumbled right out of the gate. Early adopters faced a major issue, a fragile display prone to damage. This led to a series of delays and, ultimately, the cancellation of all pre-orders. It's a cautionary tale that Apple surely doesn't want to repeat. So, what's Apple doing differently? Well, they're taking a two-pronged approach. First, they're addressing the notorious crease issue. Apple's engineers have been hard at work, and rumor has it they found a way to significantly reduce the visibility of the crease. This is a big deal, because it was one of the main reasons Apple held off on releasing a folding iPhone earlier. But here's where it gets really interesting. Apple is going above and beyond to protect the display. They're implementing self-healing glass, which is like giving your phone Wolverine-like healing abilities. This, combined with a seamless hinge design and a dual-layer glass architecture, creates a fortress around the display. It's like Apple is saying, we won't let history repeat itself. Now, some might argue that Apple is being overly cautious, but I think it's a smart move. In the world of foldable phones, durability is key. Apple understands that a single point of failure can tarnish the reputation of an entire product line. By focusing on reliability, they're setting the stage for a successful launch. What's more, Apple's attention to detail extends beyond the display. They are strategically placing buttons to reduce strain on ribbon cables during folding, and they're including a beefed-up screen protector. It's like they're wrapping the iPhone Fold in a high-tech security blanket. This level of care and innovation is what sets Apple apart. They're not just chasing the trend of foldable phones, they are redefining it. And with the recent Oppo Find N6 giving us a sneak peek at what the iPhone Fold might offer, the anticipation is building. In my opinion, Apple's approach to the iPhone Fold is a testament to their commitment to quality. They're not rushing to market, they're taking the time to get it right. This level of dedication is why Apple has such a loyal fan base. So, will the iPhone Fold be the foldable phone to rule them all? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, Apple is leaving no stone unturned to ensure it's a game changer. Stay tuned, because the world of foldable tech is about to get a whole lot more exciting.